Tired of your Wix website looking wonky on phones and tablets? Let's fix that in under 90 seconds. First things first, head over to your Wix editor. See those little desktop and mobile icons at the top. Click on the mobile icon. This switches you to the mobile view of your site. Alright, this is where the magic happens. Wix automatically rearranges your site for mobile, but sometimes it needs a little help. Notice anything overlapping or crammed together? That's what we're gonna fix. Grab any element that's out of place and drag it where it needs to be. You can resize elements by clicking and dragging the little blue handles. Remember, simplicity is key on mobile. Keep things clean and easy to read. Got something that's just not working on mobile? Select it and hit the hidden on mobile icon. This removes it from the mobile view without deleting it from your desktop site. It is a lifesaver when something just doesn't translate well. Now, for a quick fix, use the Optimize Mobile View tool. It's usually indicated by a wand icon. Wix will try to automatically adjust your layout. Sometimes it works wonders. Sometimes it needs tweaking afterward, so always double check. Scroll through your entire mobile site. Make sure buttons are easily clickable with a thumb, text is readable without zooming, and everything loads quickly. User experience is vital. Switch back to the desktop view and continue building. But remember to check the mobile view frequently as you add new elements. A little planning goes a long way. And that's it. Now your Wix website should look fantastic on any device, giving your visitors a smooth, professional experience, resulting in happy website visitors.